So many people. Can you see? This tastes very delicious. Hi, I'm Miao. Welcome to watch my video about Beijing daily life. I hope I can give you some advice about traveling in Beijing. Do you know Mid-Autumn Festival? Have you tried mooncakes? What do people usually do during Mid-Autumn Festival in China? And young people often complain about this festival. Why? In today's video, I will take you to the largest lantern show first, and then I will show you various mooncakes. This day, China is celebrating the Mid-Autumn Festival. It is a very traditional holiday in China, and it's the most important festival after the Spring Festival, with a history 1,000 years. This festival is mainly about give thanks, family reunion, and celebrating in the harvest. The most well-known tradition is to moon gazing as the moon at its fullest and brightest on this day. Families always get together to eat mooncakes. There are a lot of activities in Beijing to celebrate the Mid-Autumn Festival, and one of them is the claimed to be the largest Mid-Autumn lantern show. Now I am in the lantern show, so look at the amazing lantern. It's dragon. So you can also, now is the first day of the holiday, so there are lots of people. So follow my video and to see these amazing lanterns. Let's go. Look at the beautiful lady. Her name is Chang'e. It's about the famous legends about the Mid-Autumn Festival. She taking an immortality elixir and ascending to the moon, leaving her husband behind. She is so lonely, even though she got immortal. So she has a jade rabbit to accompany her. Here it is, the rabbit. I think myself as a rabbit because, according to the Chinese zodiac, I was born in the year of rabbit. So when I was a child and gazed at the moon, I would try hard to spot the jade rabbit on the moon. Look at the grandpa on the roof. He is playing erhu, a Chinese traditional instrument. See, it's moving. Erhu is moving. Look at that grandma. She's making a dragon boat. the main meaning of the Mid-Autumn Festival is family reunion. But nowadays, getting together has become quite difficult. If the parents and the children are in different cities with a 3-day holiday, the cost of reunion is too high. So people don't usually go back home like they do for the Spring Festival, where people always return to their hometowns. My friend, also a Beijing local, he even on a business trip during Mid-Autumn Festival. So he and his family are both in Beijing. They don't spend this festival together. Of course, I have to go home to see my mom during the Mid-Autumn Festival. My mom and we are both in Beijing. And if I say, oh, Mom, I want to stay at home, have some rest and watch TV, she would definitely give me a hard time. So I have to go home. It's a flower city. All kinds of flowers made of Latin. Look, it's a moon. And that is the real one. Can you see from my camera? A Chinese traditional poem about the Mid-Autumn Festival, written by Du Fu in Tang Dynasty. So many people, can you see? Is it amazing? Is it shocked you about this Latin show? And talking about food, do you know what's the famous food during the Mid-Autumn Festival? It's the mooncake. Have you tried the mooncake before? It's a stuffed pastry. The traditional mooncake have fillings like 5 nuts, salty egg yolk, and lotus seed paste. But many brands offer the new kinds of mooncakes to cater to young people's taste. So there are chocolate taste mooncake and yogurt mooncake. But to be honest, people do not eat mooncake actually these days, because obviously they are unhealthy. They are a mix with sugar and sweet, high in calories. So the most common thing you see in the stores are mooncake gift boxes, as gift giving has become the biggest part of the Mid-Autumn Festival, especially in companies, business or workplaces. They choose this day as send the gift to their clients to maintain the connections. And if you don't send the gift to your clients or business partners at this important festival, it simply signals that your business relationship has ended. In this afternoon, I passed by a traditional and famous store, sell pastries. And I bought 2 pieces of mooncakes, so I'd like to show them to you.
这可以按款，这两个，对，
这个是双黄的是15，翻毛酸奶的是9块。
好。
I passed by this store, Daoxiangcun, and get inside to bought these two kinds of mooncakes. Daoxiangcun is a very Chinese traditional brand with unique Beijing style and Beijing characteristics. It mainly sells different kinds of pastries. Many friends from other cities come to Beijing to buy their pastry gift boxes to take home. They offer a variety of different mooncakes during this Mid-Autumn Festival. And they also sell loose mooncakes like this, which can be bought one piece at a time, making it very suitable for personal consumption. And you know what? This mooncake costs 15 yuan. It's very expensive. And this one is traditional mooncakes. It's lotus seed paste, the fillings. And this one is new style of mooncakes. It's yogurt flavor. And this one costs 9 yuan. This one costs 15 yuan. It's very expensive. It's only one piece of cake, right? I don't usually eat mooncakes, but I will try them for you. You know, since they've already cost me a lot. So this one. So the word here is the feelings. Tell you what's feeling inside. It has egg yolk and lotus seed. Good. But can you see the oil here? A mix with oil and sugar. And let me try the yogurt one. New style yogurt. I never heard of it before. It said yogurt. This tastes very delicious. Not so sweet. And a strong taste of yogurt. Yeah, I like this one. This Mid-Autumn Festival Latin shows is so amazing. It cost me 168 yuan, but it's totally worth it. And there's a lot of people here to celebrate the festival. And I remember one funny thing, and I'd like to share it with you. Have you heard of the adjustment rest days, 调休? Have you heard about it? It's a way that to make your short holidays feels longer. Attention, my word, feel longer. For example, this year the Mid-Autumn Festival is on Tuesday, so we have a break on Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Saturday, however, which is the weekend day off, now is turned to a work day. So basically, the Mid-Autumn Festival is just one day off. We just adjust the break days, so make continuous 3-day holiday. So, the people online in China, they are so angry about this adjustment, and they criticize it so much. They said jokingly that it's fifth great innovation of China, aside from the 4 great innovations. Today, I've already eaten the mooncakes and have seen such a beautiful Latin show. And it is the perfect way to experience the Mid-Autumn Festival. I hope you can enjoy the festival also through my video today. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for watching my Beijing vlog. All my videos are about Beijing culture and Beijing life. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And see you next time. Happy Mid-Autumn Festival. Bye bye.